Hey folks, so we've been on the road for the last month and living in this great big van.
We just pulled into Cape Cod, found our campsite, and we'd like to give you a tour of the van.
Come check it out. First things first is to get this chair scrolled around to enter into the living room here. This table is so helpful, becomes the everything. The desk, the dining table, the chopping table, you name it. We got into camp a little late tonight. Luckily, we've got lights here throughout the van. Those definitely do the job.
One of our favorite appliances is a GoSun chill list. It's got two different sides, so you can set at different temperatures. You can have a frozen and a refrigerator side. We're using refrigerator for both right now. We're able to travel with fresh produce, cold drinks from home, some of our favorite yogurts and hot sauces and things that really make our travels comfortable and keep us well nourished, because we can accurately control the temperature. We can set it very specifically. It stays that temperature all of the time and it keeps our food fresh. And actually, it's time for a drink. Cheers.
Cheers. And one of the products we rely on several times a day is the GoSun Flow, our water purification and sanitation system. So at the push of a button, you've got 1 liter a minute of fresh water. It's going through the filter. We fill up a 5-gallon jug of water, and that'll get us through a good weekend, no problem. And then this water is also used for wash as well as shower. I'm gonna wash up as well. You cannot imagine all the times that you wish to wash your hands, especially right now in the COVID era. Such a handy product.
This is our built-in cabin fan. We have a protective cover to help with sound while we're driving down the road. So you crank it open, and with the touch of a button, you have awesome airflow. The GoSun Breeze is so handy, especially on these really hot summer days. It keeps the bugs out while we're here in the van, and it keeps me cool. Let's plug it in, flip it on, and life's breeze. And it acts as a hair dryer. With my long hair, that's actually really useful on these summer days.
We got to camp kind of late, so it's time to make some dinner. Luckily, we've got our little kitchenette set up here to get the job done. Of course, any good kitchen, there's a fridge nearby. From there, we're gonna be cooking outside, dining board. I'm gonna use our induction cooktop for times when we're not available to access the sun. We're gonna fry up a feast here, and we're hungry. So we've got the Power 1100, a nice battery, lithium-ion battery with an inverter. That's gonna be powering an induction cooktop. So this little guy definitely gets the job done. I'm gonna grab some oil, grab some ingredients, and get chopping. We'll have dinner done in 15 minutes or less. Well, thanks for joining us on a little tour.
We're gonna go ahead and eat some dinner.
Appreciate you taking a look under the hood here of a van life GoSun style.